Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Now scroll down your screen and here you can see language option. Click on the change button. And here you'll get a list of languages to choose from. Select one according to your preference, then tap on Confirm button. So that is how you can change language on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.